In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your refund even if you lost your refund tracking number. First, it's important to know that for IRS tax refunds, you don't actually need a separate tracking number to check your status. Instead, you can use the official Where's My Refund tool by entering your Social Security number or ITIN, your filing status, and the exact refund amount from your tax return. If you no longer have a copy of your return, you can access it through your online IRS account or request a tax return transcript directly from the IRS website. For refunds from online purchases or other services, check your email for order confirmations or account notifications, as these usually include refund details and dates. You can also log into a merchant website or app view history to see the refund status. If you still can't find the information, contact the company's customer support with your personal details and proof of purchase so they can locate the refund. So that's it.